Chinese J-16 fighter aircraft fights with Russian Su-30. China's J-16 multi-role fighter jets are perfect and far superior to other similar aircraft, including the Russian-made Su-30. A pilot with experience flying it as well as other types said. The J-16 has become a frequent flyer near the Taiwan Strait, also deployed to guard China's western borders. Military analysts say fighter jets are one of the core elements of China's air defense forces. In terms of performance, the J-16 is superior to any type of aircraft I've ever flown, said Wang Songxi, an instructor at the Air Force's Northern Theater Command of the People's Liberation Army of China, PLA, in an interview with China Central Television, CCTV. Explaining the powerful combat capabilities of the J-16, Wang made some comparisons with other well-known aircraft. Normal people usually can't tell the difference between J-16 and Su-30 from their appearance, but a lot of things are different from the inside, Wang noted, noting that there is a gap that makes the J-16 a better and more advanced generation than the Su-30. Speaking of aircraft control capacity, the J-16 is a 3.5 generation aircraft with major breakthroughs in radar systems and fire control compared to previous generation aircraft, he said, as quoted by the Global Times. According to him, the J-16 has no drawbacks, as it is equipped with many types of weapons and can operate in all weather conditions. Given the air combat exercises with China's other 3.5 generation J-10C fighter jets by 2020, Wang still feels the J-16 is superior because it has 2 engines and 2 pilots, while the J-10C has only 1 engine and 1 pilot. Wang said he once had the opportunity to fly JL-10 trainer jets and conduct ground attack drills with rocket projectiles with remarkable results, but the J-16's ground attack capability is even more powerful. The J-16 has also been upgraded for better stealth capabilities. Zhang Jiaji, the first pilot to win the PLA Golden Helmet competition 3 times, revealed to CCTV in early 2019. He mentioned that the body of the J-16 is coated in silver gray, which makes it less visible to the naked eye and electromagnetic devices. Fu Kai-an-xiao, a Chinese military aviation expert, told the Global Times the J-16's aerodynamic design puts more emphasis on maneuverability than stealth, but its coating could make it more difficult to detect.